Tired of dealing with dry, damaged hair that feels rough and looks dull? Imagine restoring your strands to silky smoothness and radiant shine with just one treatment. OGX Extra Strength Hydrate and Repair Hair Mask with Argan Oil of Morocco promises exactly that: deep hydration and repair that breathe new life into your hair. I've been there. Color treatments left my hair brittle and lifeless. After trying this 6-ounce mask, I noticed a real difference. The lightweight formula, infused with water-based silk proteins, penetrates deeply to soften each strand from the inside out. It doesn't weigh hair down or leave it oily. Instead, it strengthens and improves elasticity, making hair feel touchably soft and resilient. What sets this mask apart is its natural blend of cold-pressed Moroccan argan oil and nourishing coconut oil. This combination not only moisturizes but also tames frizz and adds a healthy luster. The fresh, inviting scent, a mix of citrus, floral green notes, and warm vanilla, leaves hair smelling as good as it looks. It's a sensory boost you'll appreciate every time you use it. If you're looking for a complete hair care routine, pairing this mask with OGX Extra Strength Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner amplifies the benefits. Together, they create a simple yet effective regimen that transforms hair into lush, soft, and divinely shiny strands. It's beauty made pure and simple. Worth a look if you want a nourishing, hydrating treatment that revives damaged hair without heaviness. If that's you, give OGX Extra Strength Hydrate and Repair Hair Mask a try when you're ready to see your hair's true potential.